TNC 960 3000 CNC Oil Country Lathe. To satisfy today's petroleum piping processing, this machine has been manufactured using the most advanced design with a maximum 20-inch pipe for turning and cutting inner and outer threading. In addition, this machine has the following features. Front and back spindles use double chucks for effective chucking and processing stability. An automatic lubrication system which controls lubrication oil spray timing and quantity for extended machine table sliding service. A turret-type V8 tool which minimizes tool changing times. A manual pulse generator or MPG for easy tool changes. To provide a third support surface suitable for cutting large-scale workpieces, a swing-over bed can support very large tool pressure. A hydraulic spindle gear shift mechanism that can accommodate a positioned heavy-duty lathe without floating. A slider with a square track to reinforce structure capacity, which is the newest design for heavy-duty CNC turning centers. A spindle box with gear shift suitable for heavy-duty lathes, with the main spindle producing high torsion at low speeds. Machines which instead use a direct gear transmission can only turn small workpieces. An automatic chip conveyor which does not require extra cleaning.